That's a lot of milk. Hey everyone,
It's the Crafty Sisters.
I'm Amelie.
And I'm Harper.
And today we are making
Mac and cheese. This is a great recipe to use with all the leftover milk you might have.
Well, let's go over our ingredients.
The first ingredient that you're going to need is 1 cup of shredded cheese. We're using mozzarella, but you can use like pepper jack or
Cheddar
or Monterey Jack.
Next, you need 2 tablespoons of cream cheese.
Next, you need a 4th cup of water.
You will also need a 1/2 tablespoon of pepper.
Next, you need 1 tablespoon of butter.
Next, we need 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder.
Next, you need a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder.
You need 2.5 to 3 cups of milk. We are starting with 2.5 cups.
Finally, you need 2 cups of uncooked pasta.
Let's get started!
In a medium saucepan, we are going to be adding a pinch of salt,
The milk,
the garlic powder,
the onion powder,
the butter,
and water. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. Now that you have all your ingredients in your medium saucepan, we need to bring it to a boil. When you're waiting for all your ingredients to boil, you can clean up some of the stuff that you already used. Yeah. If you haven't already, don't forget to like
And subscribe.
and tap the gray bell next to the subscribe button to get notified about all our new videos.
Once the milk is boiling, add in the 2 cups of pasta and reduce the stove to low.
Once you have the pasta all the way cooked, we're going to add cream cheese. And then we're going to stir in the cream cheese until it melts.
Next, we are going to remove the pasta from the heat and we are going to stir in our cheese. Then we're going to cover the cheese and pasta for 3 minutes.
And now Amelie is adding the cheese and stirring it in.
Now we're going to cover this for 3 minutes. So our mac and cheese is done.
And now we're going to taste it and show you what it looks like. And now it's time to taste it. We never said add the pepper.
It's really good. If you like this video, you'll love our other videos, so check them out on our channel.
Thank you for the recipe from Spend with Pennies.
Thanks for watching.
This is the Crafty Sisters.
Bye!